Welcome back to the first fan channel review of the new Premier League season. Hit the like buttons. Make sure you are subscribing to the Terrace as well. Honestly, this is my favorite content to do because I literally get to sit down, watch all the other brilliant fan channels, show you my reaction, show you their opinions, gauge yours as well. It's absolutely my favorite bit of content that we do on the Football Terrace. And I'm going to start with my guy here, Expressions. Take a little listen, take a little look. Let's go.
Oh, I forgot, blood. Before the game even started, bro, Brighton, Munich, fam. Fist up, Man United, bro. What you telling me now, KG? N'Golo Canteen, blood. What you telling me, Thick Ross, blood? Snickerless and Elka, bruv.
Was it Expressions who said KG is in kilos once? And it said KG's my guy. Me and KG get on well, but no!
What are you telling me, fam? That fast food whistle, blood, from Brentford. How dare you, blood? How dare you? Man's calling me up on a draw, yeah? Talking about Eric Ten Hag, Eric Ten this, blood. Eric in a spliff, blood. Do you know them way there, fam? I'm telling you that Dutch Lex Luca looking a meffer, bruv. Yeah, hold that, fam. You, man, got put in a spliff in a...
I shouldn't really be laughing because it's my club, but he is so funny, yeah. He's so funny.
Last minute as well, fam. You think I didn't see that? Injury time, blood. Injury time, Man United, fist up by Brighton, Munich.
It did hurt. Still hurts.
Fam. So I'm telling you this right now. You better load your soundboards with your own tears, blood. Because I'm drinking, only am I drinking Evertonian tears
He's
tonight.
got a bottle of rival tears. Where'd he pull that out from?
I'm drinking KG's tears tonight, blood. Yeah? Now, remember I said it, that fast food Lukaku, blood. You ain't going to Napoli, blood.
I wonder if those tears taste like gravy.
Yeah, your ass is sweat in your stream, blood. And I can't wait to get back here and go and look at the moment that Brighton scored the last minute goal, fam. Just to see you sweating underneath that condom that you wear on your head, blood. Am I a prick, fam? How dare you, KG? KG! Know that your team is dead. KG! Brother got no hair on his head. KG! Snack FM was your name. KG! But I led you in a spliff once again. What's man talking about?
Do you know what? This is why I do what I do. It's why I watch the content even when my team does badly because it's cathartic. Listen, big up X. That was absolutely epic. Let's take a look here at Goldbridge and see what he's got to say today.
We've seen Moyes, Van Gaal, Mourinho, Ollie, Ranić all be in this position. You literally cannot speak to Man United fans like they're mushrooms being fed on shit in the dark. We know...
Why don't I understand that, but it makes me laugh?
This movie, we've seen it before. Very, very many times. So you can't kid a kidder. You can't come out after the game and say, we dominated Brighton, we were the better team, we're a bit unlucky, we've got to learn from mistakes. We've heard it from every single manager I've just mentioned before.
But we do have to learn from them, though. I'm going to keep listening because I don't quite understand.
He's got to own some of the things. And it's interesting what he also said about individual errors costing us the game. And what he's talking about is the first goal, clearly Harry Maguire. The second goal, clearly Delot and maybe Casemiro leaving the back post unmarked. All right, individual errors, but who caused those errors? We haven't got a left back going into the start of the season.
I don't necessarily think the left back thing was an issue for that last goal, personally. I get where Mark's coming from, and where I agree with him it is we can't just bury our heads in the sand. And I feel that the club have stated, the manager has stated, the players have stated, the media have been told that culturally we're trying to be fixed, the structure's better, there's less chaos, we're better organised now. So we have to start really ridiculing the bad parts of our performance. We can't just say it's not being supported, there isn't the infrastructure, there isn't the support anymore, because we know it's there. At the same time, we shouldn't ignore the positives equally. I think yesterday was a combination of two things for Man United fans. I'm still fuming with the defending. The heads need to roll for that. People need to be dropped, disciplined, weekly fine on their wages. I don't know. You've got to start letting these players know that the standards have got to start to be raised to here. However, I don't think we can throw baby out with the bathwater and not also speak about how there were elements that were good in the game and with a little bit more luck, the result could have been different. You have to have balance there, in my humble opinion. However, where I do agree with Goldbridge is 110%. The manager has got to start taking big accountability for this type of stuff. Up next, we're going to do a little bit of AFTV here. Let's take a little listen.
This is why I want Mikel Arteta as my manager right now. Unai Emery has done great things. He's won, you know, cups and everything like that. And he's doing a great job here. But right now, as I said last week, the next best manager, right, to Pep Guardiola in this league right now is Mikel Arteta. And you saw that today, tactically brilliant. He made the subs, right? It was his.
Do you agree with Robbie here? Genuinely, do you agree with Robbie here? Has the debate been ended? Is the debate now over? And I want to premise this by saying, if your response is, no, Unai Emery still has the better CV, that isn't the argument that Robbie's making. Therefore, it cannot be your rebuttal. That rebuttal falls short. He's stating that right now, not historically, not with what has been won in the past, right now, in this moment. Example being, Usain Bolt is the greatest ever 100-meter sprinter in the history of the sport. But right now, he isn't the best 100-meter sprinter in the world. That is essentially the logic here, that now in August 2024, Arteta is better. Give me your thoughts and feelings in the comment section below. And does yesterday's result end the debate?
Substitution that came on, Trossard that got us going, put some respect on two people's name. Mikel Arteta and on mine. Yeah?
That is going to wind so many people up. That is going to trigger so many individuals to ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. You all know that, right? That is going to hurt some people. Their brains will be frying.
They were coming for me, bro. They were coming. He ain't coming now. You're
Pause.
laughed at me. You ain't laughing now.
Listen, I would say this. I said it the other day. I think Unai Emery's brilliant. If I was to pick one of the managers now to take over Man United tomorrow, I would go with Mikel Arteta marginally. And maybe that's because I've got some shrouded bias. The two big clubs that Unai Emery's been at, I don't quite think he has cut the mustard. I have a feeling that he's better off suited to smaller clubs and turning them into brilliant teams. Villarreal, Sevilla. I mean, historically, Villa are a big team, but they've not been for 30-odd years, as an example. But, yeah, as I say, it's an interesting debate. Do you think it's over? And look, Arsenal winning, of course, yesterday, Arsenal winning was going to trigger people, because Arsenal winning always triggers people. It seems to be the kind of nature of the beast, as it were. But let's take a little look at this. This killed me yesterday. Take a little look at this, people. It's brilliant.
I was dull my days at Dingra. What are you doing? What we doing here? What we doing? What we doing? What we fucking doing?
Do you know when I watched this? I saw this one on Twitter, and I'm watching it, and everything Saeed did, I did identically in here. So I don't obviously do watch-alongs, but I'm sitting here, and it was like, no, I knew it was coming. I knew it was about to happen.
I've been a better team in the last 10 minutes. It was coming.
I thought he was about to lay down in his lap. Is he in labour? Breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. He's doing this. It's like, if I do this. Do any of you do things like that? Like, maybe if I do that and peek out my eye, my luck will change. Do you like turn the volume off or put a blanket over the TV? Does anyone do anything strange like that in hope? In hope that the situation changes?
I don't know why he's not starting, I think, that. Look at the composure here. And then United get lopsided. And look what happens. 4 of them at the back post. That's what happens, mate. That's what happens. They all get attracted to the ball and leave the fucking their striker on his own at the back post. Do that. That's unbelievable.
You fucking bottle jumps. You fucking bottle jumps.
He's gone. He's gone.
You fucking bottle jumps.
Who they are, man.
Why can't you defend?
A minute of silence and then boom.
1 minute to go.
All of them.
1 minute.
Oh.
1 minute.
Listen, I'm going to say this. It's a thing of beauty. And I hate my team losing. But it's why I love the fan channel community. It's why I love the fan media world. I love what we all do. It's cathartic. It's beautiful. It's emotional. It's just epic. Big up to everybody that's featured. Saeed, AFTV, Mark Goldbridge on the United Stand, and of course, Expressions at the beginning. Go and follow their channels. Go and subscribe. Support this community. We have to do more to help each other. There's no doubt about it whatsoever. Listen, everyone who's tuned in, thank you. Take care. Goodbye. God bless. And we'll see you all again soon. Peace.